What's up, y'all? So, y'all already see we got a little situation here that we are about to fix. So, this is my client, one of my loyal clients. I love her so much. So, this wig, it's been going through some stuff. So, you see that there's a lot of lace and not a lot of hair. So, her wig is balding. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. So right now I'm just looking, trying to analyze, trying to see how I want to play my cards. So you see them little two pieces? All of that lace I'm going to cut off. So I'm making sure that I have enough lace. After I cut it off, I want to make sure that the hairline. So basically I'm reconstructing a whole new hairline. So I'm cutting off all of that lace. Like, just cut it off. Like, don't try to save it. Just cut it off. Just let it go. So I'm cutting that all off. And then here I'm now, like, already did my 4 layers of glue. And I'm laying that lace down. I know it looks a little rough right now. But just come on. Just trust the process. So we're going to melt that down. And then after that, I'm going to just pluck her not baby hairs, pluck the hairline because it looks a little thick right now. So y'all gonna see me plucking it. I am about to put her band on. And then, like I said, go in and pluck some of that out. And now I have her baby hairs out. And I'm just cutting them down. I did go in and pluck them out a little bit. And then we're going to get into doing the baby hairs. But do y'all see how, like, I just remade a whole new hairline? Like, that's all you got to do. If your wig is balding, if it ain't too bad, you can literally just cut all of that bald lace off and you made a whole new hairline. So I'm doing her baby hairs. Like, you couldn't even tell that her wig was balding. If I didn't show y'all that beforehand, you would have never knew her wig was balding. But anyways, the goat. Like, I don't even have to say nothing on my, like, look at that. 8 down. Like, 8 down. Bye, y'all. Love y'all.